Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the new Klarity Kosmetics Angry Leprechaun palette to try out for you guys today. This is one of their Halloween releases for 2024. Let's take a peek inside this 12 pan palette. So in this palette, you are getting, of course, 12 super pigmented shades. 6 of them are stunning mattes, 3 stunning multi-chromes, and new for Klarity Kosmetics, 3 different foiled shadows. I think this looks like such a beautiful color story, perfect for fall and winter, and I'm just loving the greens in here. I'm loving the warmer maroon tones and the light tan over here. I can't wait to create 2 looks with this palette. So quick information on the drop, the launch of this palette. September the 20th at 10 a.m. CST. I do have an affiliate code with Klarity Kosmetics and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. So excited for Angry Leprechaun over here. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Klarity Kosmetics or you're just ready for the Halloween makeup, the spooky season eyeshadow palettes to start dropping, which they already have, do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up before you go. Don't forget to check the description box for links and codes to everything I'll be referencing in today's video. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. One more thing, the price of the Angry Leprechaun palette will retail for $65, and then there are some matte liquid lipsticks. I was sent this kindly in PR by the Klarity Kosmetics team. This was the only thing I was sent, so I have not seen the matte liquid lipsticks, but those individually are $15. And if you wanted to get the full PR bundle, that retails for $130, but codes are not applicable on the full PR bundle. But if you want to get individual items, feel free to use my affiliate code STEFF10. Let's start creating the first of 2 looks. If you guys want to see the Angry Leprechaun palette from Klarity Kosmetics in action, keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids with the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. And now it's time to dive into this new palette. You can see I'm wearing a maroon jumpsuit to work today. So I think I want to keep it similar in tones. And I'm going to start with this shade right here. This one is called Diddly Diddly D. Again, with Klarity Kosmetics, I've said this in the past, they always have the cutest shade names that complement the palette. I'm using a Rephr 16 to apply the shade into the crease and transition area. Klarity makes one of my favorite formulas when it comes to indie makeup brands, and they always do some of my most favorite color stories. They just seem to always think outside the box. They always seem to do something different, something unique and unexpected, and I love that. I think they're a really good up-and-coming brand. If you haven't tried them yet, maybe this spooky season will be your motivator to do so. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a halo eye, and I'm going to use these 2 shades to do so. This one I'm going to use in the inner corner. This one I'll use in the outer corner. So we'll start first with this one. This shade name is called I Can Remove Your Face. Is that what it says? Your face, Y-E-R. And I'm using a Rephr 13 to apply. The next shade I'm going in with is called You'll Be Dead on This Night. It's a nice deep burgundy shade. Perfect for outer corner or just packing all over the lid. Okay, I think that looks really good. We have some nice depth. Now it's time to play with some of these beautiful shimmers. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start. I feel like I kind of just want to keep it monochromatic, so I think I'm going to do this one right here. This one is called Evil as Hell. Using a damp Morphe M124 to apply. This shade matches my shoes. I'm wearing like some bronze color pumps. Wow, perfect. Perfect palette for today's wardrobe. These shimmers, they do have a bit of texture to them, which I like. And I don't get much fallout, just got a little bit there. But I'll brush that away, that'll be no big deal. That looks nice. Now for the lower lash line, I think we could just keep it all monochromatic. I'm gonna go back in with this one using a Rephr 03 to apply. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This one is called Eye for an Eye. Using a damp Rephr 03. Ooh, that's perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to show you all this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I really love the way this look turned out. Very monochromatic, very on theme with my outfit today. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner for the top lash line. The mascara I'll be using in today's video, knock everything over here. The Exaggerize Volume Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a new one. I tried it in my latest Get Ready With Me video. And then a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This is a new shade to me. This one is Rebel in Red Serrano. I think this is, or is this part of the... No, yeah, this is, okay, I was thinking this was part of that collection, that limited edition collection, but it's in their regular line, so love that in the lower waterline. Love the way everything came together. I'm heading off to work, but I will be back tomorrow for you guys in a few seconds to start working on look number 2 with the Angry Leprechaun palette. All right, guys, so let's get started with look number 2. Actually, no, I do know what I'm wearing to work today. It's like green and purple and blue. So for sure, I think we can do the greens in here. If I can incorporate this shadow, this is such a shifty shadow up here, I'd like to do so. But I think I'm going to start here. I think actually, no, I'm going to pack this in the crease, and then I'm going to pack this on the lid, and then I'm going to go in with this color in the crease. So the dark green is called Now You're Going to Die, and the more neutral green over here, this one is called What the Hell Are You? And I'm using my Rephr 01 to start applying. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going in with that lighter green, and I'm just going to use this in the crease just to shape our look. I realized that first shade really took over, but you can see a little bit of this lighter green right out here, kind of outlining the darker. All right, now it's time to start playing with some shimmer shadows. I definitely want to go in with these two, and they look so different. Like I look at them at this angle, this looks purple, this looks turquoise, and then in the monitor, this looks like a lighter green and a brighter green. So I think I'm going to start with this one, and then I'll work into this one. Using a damp Rephr 21 to apply. That is really pretty. This one feels, well, no, I guess it feels the same as the other ones. I was going to say, does it feel a little more smooth? But maybe just a tad. It is very pretty though. Look at that. Ooh, I love it. Going in with the next shade right out here. And I'm also going to just layer it a little bit. Ooh, just almost reminds me of mermaids as well. I'm going to go in with the darker green just right in here, just to blend a little bit better. Now for the lower lash line, what do I want to do? We have this black shade, but I don't think I want to do that on the lower lash line. Actually, I could, and then do this. Let me try it. Let me try this, and then I'm going to put this one on top of it. I'm using a Rephr 26. The shade is called Who Steals My Gold. I'm only going to take it about halfway. Same brush, I just sprayed it. Now I'm going in with Who Breaks Me Spell. I'm taking that all the way through. As it goes over the black, it'll have a different look. But you can see right here where I didn't put the black, that's its true color. Oh, this is going to look perfect with the skirt I'm going to wear to work today. All right, guys, I'm going to go take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I really love the way it turned out. I think it's so much fun. I did add some lashes, and they are these from Eyelure. They're kind of like half lashes, and the style is royal. Same everything from the first look. Exaggerize mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner on the top lash line, and a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Fruit Fantasy for the lower waterline. I think this is so much fun. I'm going to do a wear test today with this look, and so I will wrap up this video once I get home. I'll let you see how the eyeshadow held up, and then I will let you guys know whether I think this is worth your time and, more importantly, your money. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, it's been 11 hours. Look at the intensity of these multi-chromes. Wow, I didn't get any fallout. Everything looks good. I don't know how I feel about what I did under for the lower lash line, the black, then with this like pinkish multi-chrome. I like it, but I'm kind of having second thoughts. I was having second thoughts all day about the shades I chose for the under eye area. But other than that, I love the green. Oh my God, it's so pretty. These shadows are so intense. You're not going to get much fallout from them when you're applying the multi-chromes, the shimmers and stuff. The mattes are beautiful. They're blendable. I think overall Klarity Kosmetics has another winner on their hands. Yet another palette to consider adding to cart, adding to your stash this spooky season. Don't forget, this palette drops on September the 20th. I believe it's at 10 a.m. CST. Check the description box for all the details, but my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order, and it does retail for $65 before any discount codes. There are other things in the collection. Matte liquid lipsticks, I didn't get those in PR. I just got the palette, so thank you, Klarity, for sending that my way, and I'm giving Angry Leprechaun 2 thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be adding this to your stash. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.